be talking about how to be kind. But more specifically, we're going to talk about something called bullying. We're going to talk about what is bullying? What does it mean to be a bully? What is a victim? And what does that mean in the terms of bullying? We're going to talk about something called a bystander and what those people do, but what I like to call them are upstanders. That's my favorite term. And how can we be kind to our teachers, our friends, and help bring their attitudes and moods up in the classroom and outside of the classroom? What is bullying? Bullying is the unwanted and aggressive behavior due to a power imbalance. When someone feels bigger than you, they may decide to bully. The behavior is repeated or can potentially be repeated, and those who are bullied usually bully others. There are different types of bullying. There is verbal bullying, social bullying, and physical bullying. Verbal bullying can include things such as name-calling, teasing, taunting, or threatening. Social bullying can be leaving someone out on purpose, telling other friends that we don't want to be friends with you, you may smell, or spreading rumors, which is spreading things that aren't true about one of your friends. Physical bullying includes things like hitting, kicking, pinching, spitting, pushing, tripping, breaking someone else's things, or making mean or not so nice hand gestures. You may be asking yourself, what can I do to help? Well, the first question you have to ask yourself is, am I a bystander or am I an upstander? I like to use these two terms because they're a little bit different. We call ourselves bystanders when we stand by and watch the bully be mean to our friends or the victim. But an upstander will not only stand by, but they will take action and stand up for our friends and say something. So how do we become upstanders? Well, the first thing we can do is we don't join the bullying. The next thing we can do is stand up for your friend. The third thing you can do is become friends with the victim. We're all friends in Miss Donder's class, and we all need to support each other. And the fourth thing that you absolutely must do is alert an adult. You can either alert me or someone out at lunch, the recess monitor. Please let someone know. One way we can prevent bullying is by being kind to one another. I like to use the acronym THINK. An acronym usually is a phrase that stands for something else. So when we look at think, the T stands for, is it true? Is what I'm saying truthful? The H stands for, is it helpful? Will it help my friend? Will it help the situation? I, is it inspiring? Will it inspire someone else to be kind? N, is it necessary? Do we need to say this? Will it help anyone? And K, is it kind? Are we spreading kindness around our classroom and around our school? Or is it maybe not the nicest thing? Now that we've gone over the basics, let's review. So what is bullying? Bullying is unwanted aggressive behavior that involves a power imbalance. The behavior is repeated over an extended period of time. Our acronym that we talked about, THINK, what does it mean? Do we remember? The T stands for, is it true? H, is it helpful? I, Is it inspiring? N, is it necessary? And K, is it kind? And how can we all be upstanders in our classroom instead of bystanders? Well, we can stand up for our friends, not join in on the bullying, and, last but not least, we should always tell an adult.